awan ni Children Hospital, awan dawai di Dr. Arpita. Di dawai tang sebenarnya ngala Armet ya langsung tu ba ini kita dawai jadi Dr. Arpita itu kita rekam ya di tang sebenarnya yang ada don menu-menu di Papua penulis dawai ini Dr. Arpita ya sawan Hania Children Hospital di Dr. Arpita IVF Dr. Arpita ikawan sisin sebenarnya
Kalong kesni ke bakemen bat keban seakan mau gi pat bat nong shak nong katan mau hati ha ke bagajing ang nuat ke badi gi posnem kalau urlong no hadian ba menteri rang ba kejela konrat kongkal sang mau lap lia ya ke office jong ke mau hati CNRD block ha kejing lang ke belalong hom soalai la sakilang ru ha ke negesni dau eti mondal menteri ketenat CNRD uba Charles Marngar MLA ke mau hati Dr. Celestine Lengdo MLA ke Sning Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Riboy Abilash Baranwal Dalor kibai-kibai. Habakaran dengan negasni uba Charles Marngar, kumunong mikmat ke hati. Ula penpau ya kejing kemen ke bakrau, bat ai kublai kerpang ruik ke sorkar jela, bakalala ban penurlong ya kejing ang nuat, jong gibreo ke hati, ban yo anok la kejong kasian RD blok, kata hadian sanklai senam bagajela kelayo, ya la kejong kejela ke Papura. Ha kebaleng ba kena ke office anak ban pentelun di kampung Roy boper. Ula penpau ru bawa lah keladon ke jeng kentok ke bajuriu halo ke jeng di penyesok sekeseng NPP hak ni kendat benai. Dari kumunong mikmat dan kena ke jeng sawi namar bus ngotu ba ke jeng di penyesok ju sekene keseng. Kadahi ne ke jeng mentoy jeng pat ba ha gaban ra ki kampen roy ba ke jeng dan kam boper. U Konrad kongkal sang ma abakran ne kene kesni. Ula penpau ke jeng keman ke bakrau ban la ban urlong ke jeng ang nuat ji pat ba ke mau hati. Daga ba penpau ru ba ke sorkar kanang trishtom kumno banwan ra ki kampen roy haki babun ki shnong daga ba ai ko bleru ki jikshim kya jong menteri katna CNRD UET Mondal kumjo UMLA ke mau hati ulepen pauru bagatong jong sarkar jela kalong menangwan ra ki jiksen syar kebayajan badupat ba kamtam ke jingdon jong nek office CNRD block ba kanang penmentoy skada e ki pat ba ke mau hati ha gaban pentelon ki skim penroy boper Batchen nakaliang sarkar kanang pensuk ru ki jing penteri ki kam lengba ke internet kat kum kejuk bementa ban penpoi habro ke office block lengba ki optical fiber
which have been functioning from buildings that were before even when we were part of Assam. And the infrastructure was never improved. It is this NPP-led government that decided that we must provide new infrastructure to all block offices. It has never happened before. And therefore now throughout the state you are seeing all the block offices are getting new buildings. And this is being done with that vision that we would want to see the block office becoming one of the main administrative front end for government services so people can get 100% of the services from the block office itself. With that vision we are improving the infrastructure. Very soon, almost I think right now 40% to maybe even 50% of the blocks are now being connected with optical fibers. So I just shared with you what that means. Earlier we had a big problem because we did not have optical fiber going connections going to the village level and going to the block level. But it is in collaboration with the power department. The state government has taken up a project on its own to use the high tension wires and the poles and the towers of the MECL and PGCIL to string the optical fibers through those towers. So we no longer have to dig and put the cable underground. We are using MECL towers, we are using PGCIL towers to take the optical fiber. which is bringing down the cost by almost 80%. And we are now going to connect all the block offices with optical fiber so that we will get all seamless, internet connectivity and intranet connectivity to improve the governance so that all the information, data, everything can flow at a very fast pace.